This is really, really fun to do, and I don't think anyone should be scared of it. This is my inspiration photo. This is a beautiful sunset on the water. Give me the colors and the blending on this piece. So here's the cafeteria tray. The press and seal is on it. I'm going to be able to put my colors on here. Okay, I'm just misting this a little bit. I actually took a piece of chalk. I sketched where I thought my proportion would be. I sketched a little bit of a sun of a couple sizes so I could decide how big. And then when I would resume, this is the horizon line right here. So anytime you're painting something that's a beach or an ocean scene, you want to make sure that you get the horizon where the water begins. Go in with fire starter. Kissing booth. I'll start bringing that in and doing a little blending. And blending, you're just going to cross over the previous color, and what it does is it makes a third color in between. And if that's not blending enough for you, take your water bottle, this one is the Dusty by Paint Pixie. And with chalk painting, water is your friend. This is the caddy. Here's what I love, this big amount of coverage. This one right now is called Sea Glass. The one that I started with down here was Mermaid Tail. This is really, really fun to do, and I don't think anyone should be scared of it. Thanks for watching. I was prepping this, and I really should show you how I prepped this. That's it. That's all I did. I wiped it off because that's about all you have to do to prep for DIY. Sunset Armoire is upside down. I've been working on it a little in between. This blue of Mermaid Tail is going in the carved area to this line right here. A bit of the sea glass out and see how. I love what's going on here. I sketched in the clouds, and they're a little bit fluffy and a little bit irregular, and that's just a guideline. I'm going to use Cherry Picked. This is one of the DIY colors that's a deep plum. There's to be some more clouds here. I'm going to add some depth to the waterline. Blue Iris, just to wet the edge of this sort of chisel brush. A chip brush, and see if I can't soften that edge. Said your spray bottle is your friend. When you're doing these blendings, you want to make sure that you're going to get it wet. I even like when it runs. I've got some runs down these little fluted places here, but I'm going to go back and just soften that blue. See how it's starting to bleed down into the aqua? So I'm going to spray it heavily. I don't care if it runs and drips. And as I activate it, I pull it down into the aqua. I appreciate each and every one of you for being here. But I went haywire. I went rogue. I've been doing all what in the world?
Oh, excuse me.
Oh my goodness. That's Christy and Mannequin. Oh my gosh. I didn't know she was a dancer.
She is quite the dancer.
Oh my